Jotije mag kembe rego sukari kawuono ne obago ng'anyo ka gipiro gopegi kuom piny owacho. To kembego keto e lwet ji giwegi. Piny owacho ni kod gope jotije mag Nzoia, Chemelil, Miwani kod Soni maromo bilion 4. E kambi rego sukari ma Nzoia, jotije ne wuok kar rombgi ka gisewo piny owacho kuom bedo gi nyawo e chulo gowino. Jotije mag kembe rego sukari kokalo e riwruok margi mar KE, Kenya Union of Sugar Plantation and Allied Workers, Francis Wangara, ne okwedo tim mar oro obila e kembe kaka Chemelil kod Moroni mondo mi ogeng' ng'anyono. Wangara wacho ni jotije moingo 30,000 e kembe 4 go biro medo ng'anyo nyaka chulgi.
Mlikuwa hapa mkauza kampuni, pesa mmepeleka wapi? Sisi tunalia, tunataka hizo pesa zenye mmechukua mturushie pesa zetu hapa, wafanyikazi wanaumia. Watoto wajaenda shule. Kuna wenye wamerita hujapata pesa. Kama usipoleta pesa, weta utakuwa one term. Ingine, wewe president.
Rais ninavyoongea, kuna watu 50 wamekufa. Na ile kifo wamekufa is one linked to hardship, depression, emotional. Hizo vitu zote zimewaumiza retirees. Ninavyoongea tena hivi sasa 12 wako bedridden na wako deformed.
Watu hawana safety gears, hakuna hospitali hapa ndani, wafanyikazi wamekuwa wakianguka wakikufa. Sasa sisi tuko kwa shida.
All the monies would have been paid, the 10.8 billion. But from the look of things, if even the 1.9 billion that was supposed to be paid in November has not been paid, and nothing is being shown like there is going to be payment, there is no guarantee that this money, all of it, will be paid by end of June this year. There is no guarantee. And therefore, we have to demand it at our best by doing what we are doing.